I never said training your mind.
Hmm.
I said stop thinking. That's all. I even said it was easy. I never said...
It's not easy. I disagree.
That's because you're trying to train your mind.
I'm trying to not be depressed.
Stop thinking of a negative future.
The only thing I can do, I mean, I'm pretty normal in this way. Like, if I'm getting depressed, it's like I need to go eat ice cream or like
Yes.
go get a massage or something like that
Yes,
to take my mind off.
what people do when they get depressed, besides moaning and blah, 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 is they distract themselves.
Yeah.
They work hard to distract themselves. They watch TV or something, right? Or they go get ice cream. Or they beat up their mate. Or something, you see? They do something to distract themselves. Yeah, but then the depression doesn't go away and they're still depressed, you see? They're just acting it out, trying to get out. Oh, this is... See? And they never see that they're doing something that's causing the depression. Instead, they try to resolve it through circumstance, changing their experience, you see? Okay, now what I'm saying, yeah, it's not hard. Just stop thinking what you're thinking. See, you think it's hard because you think you can't do it. You think you're like subject to this, I have to, it's the way life is, I can't, and then I've had to go down a lot of work to, grow as a person and train my mind so that I never do that again, and that's really fucking hard, and blah, blah, blah. See, you're doing the same thing, stop it. Oh, yeah.
Maybe the problem is I feel like I'm still locked in this rider on top of the elephant thing. And the elephant is going crazy, and I'm like the rider trying to pull in the reins. And I have the sense that I need to train the elephant to be more obedient.
You are the elephant.
Yeah. Well, I'm going crazy, and there's a storm of shit going on.
I'm not going to argue with you about that. But okay, so, all right. Yes, sir.
Some of the challenges I had when I was working on this stuff, where it seemed, maybe a contribution, it seemed that I had a lot of assumptions that I had to recognize and get over. Like, there's, like, my state is caused by external circumstance. And then I also ran into some deep shit where I felt like I couldn't somehow. And then eventually I realized that the I couldn't was also a thought. But it was a serious feeling in my core that was like, I just can't. And I had to like reckon with that. And then like other assumptions seemingly working together that made my reality as if that big struggle, but at the end it is as you say, it's just stop thinking that.
Yes.
But it doesn't.
I don't know why this is so hard to get.
Yeah, at the beginning it doesn't, it's not easily, or for me it wasn't easily accessible. I couldn't.
Because you keep doing it.
Yeah.
And you think it's circumstantially derived. You think you don't have any choice. And you think you have to do it.
Yeah.
You think it's just befalling you.
Like that.
And I'm suggesting it's not. It's not befalling you. It's something you're actually doing. Now, recognize you're doing it. Recognize you're sticking a needle into your leg and stop sticking a needle in your leg. That's easy to understand, right? See? Stop doing this with your mind and it goes away. Because it doesn't exist without you. It doesn't. It's not life doing anything to you. It exists because of you. You're doing it. We can go into why you're doing it. Okay, we could talk about survival up the wazoo. We can talk about self, etc. Blah blah blah. Yeah, but none of that matters. Why you're doing it? What matters in this? I mean, it matters, in our overall work. But in this, it just matters that you're doing it. See, but you're not putting yourself. So you're not putting yourself in the elephant. You keep thinking you're a fucking guy riding the elephant. See? No, you are the elephant. The elephant doesn't exist except for you. I mean, especially the elephant, because you made it up. Okay? You know what I'm saying? You made up the fucking elephant. And, see, and then to relate to things, et cetera, et cetera. But it becomes, obviously, by making up as an elephant, it's not you. It's something you're riding. It's something that controls you. It's something bigger than you. You didn't choose a mouse. You chose an elephant, you see? So it's like, it's circumstance. I can't do it. If you be the elephant, Oh, look what I'm doing. Oh, I'm doing this. I'll stop doing it. Yes, sir?
Yeah, I had to realize that it's my experience. And prior to that, it was like it's not me or something, or it's like it just falls on me, or it's just circumstance. And at some point, like you said just now, I had to realize it's me. My
Yeah.
responsibility.
See, now, one thing I did say, yes, and that's good. I mean, yeah, see, like what he's saying, right? All right. See, it's useful because he's been around for a while, and he's saying, and so he can relate to you better than me. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. See, but I said, control your mind. See, and you took that for training, see? Control. And then people think control. Okay, I got to control something, like control the elephant. No. By controlling your mind, stop thinking. Most of the time, I would say to my martial apprentices, right? It's just stop thinking or facilitating, Stop. Notice it's what you don't do, not what you do. Sure, there's stuff perhaps you need to do, but it's mostly what you don't do that transforms your experience. That makes you more effective or whatever it is we're talking about, or stops the suffering. It's what you don't do. It's what you stop doing. And that means you have to get into the place where you're doing it. And it's very simple. You're just doing it. So you'll never have a problem with depression again, right? See, if you get this, you won't have a problem with depression again. You cure it like that. Yes, sir.
How do I get it?
You get it. What did I just say? Okay, you're doing something with your mind. You're creating a bleak future. Okay, even if it seems like it's now, which is like life now. See, but this moment of life is irrelevant to you, in essence. You see, it's life going somewhere. Stop doing that. Depression's gone. Stop doing that.
Thanks for watching. If you find value in the work we're doing here and want to get involved, I have some invitations for you. Join the newsletter and get real insights and weekly facilitation. Check out the school community, the Consciousness Path, and engage with others who are doing this work and access free course material. And if you're serious and want to have major insights and breakthroughs for yourself, you're invited to join a workshop. They're more powerful than you think. Links for all this can be found in the description below. Ciao for now.